I just received my drone in the mail today. I got the Blue Heron. It's extremely fast shipping. I highly recommend this company. They are extremely helpful. They answer your questions almost instantly about anything through Force One. Let's see if I can get out of the box here. Packaging is very nice. Very lightweight, which is good too. Let's just get it open here. Switch it down a minute. Oh yes, all here, good condition. Very lightweight, which is awesome. I would show you guys how I'm going to use it, but it is currently 4 degrees outside of my house. Looks like we have the extra propellers and nice remote control in here. Very nice. Battery operated. The chargers. Looks like everything is intact and very good quality here. I will be sure to do another review once I can get outside and use it. But like I said, it's 4 degrees outside. I'm not real sure that I want to go stand out there and chase this thing around. But A+ in my book, guys. Quick shipping. Awesome products. Can't wait to try it. Thank you.